Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, today we make some revision about test 2. Test 2 is on 3 is June. Okay, we look. Okay, I like to see this. This is the example final exam. Okay, we go to the chapter 3 and chapter 4. Chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay, this question is like this one. If you see this one. Okay, look at question 2. Okay, the question 2 is different. If you see the question is sedikit perbezaannya. This is a little bit different. Okay, looks example this one, question 2. Okay, based on the result obtained from the random sample hundreds manual hand lifts from a local brand, the 95% confidence interval for the average height that the manual hand lifter can hand. If you see the question, CI is given. CI is given. If you see the 95% is given. Okay. Okay. If you see the question is different, it is. Okay, this one. Okay, 95% confidence interval for this one is given. 5 inches until 7.3 inches. Okay, from here we will put the simple from normal distribution. Okay, with this one is given one population variance. This one it is mentioned with non-population variance. Okay, for this one, find the sample mean and the population variance. Okay, this one is not given as sample mean. Sample mean is not given, and the population variance. We want to find how to find this one. Yeah, how to find this one. Okay, if you see this question, formula is formula. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Okay, which formula? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay, gagal nombor berapa ni? Nombor 1, nombor 2, nombor 3. Number 1, number 2. Okay, Aziz, number 2, Aziz. Okay, if you see this one, the random sample is and is 100. Okay, Aziz, why number 2?
Ya. Tak berapa jelas.
Tak jelas. Okay, kenapa? Tak jelas, Aziz. Jelas, Aziz? Tak jelas.
Formula number 1 kot.
Number 1 number 1 is okay. It's okay because the population variance is given. If you see population variance is given, when you find the population is given, it is automatically number 1. Number 1. You cannot using number 2, number 2 and if population variance is not given, we can consider number 2 or number 3. Okay, Azim, those are very important. Tengok, kalau variance population is given, it is automatically number 1. Okay, for this one, we must using the formula number 1. Number 1, the formula is okay. If you see formula number 1, okay, this is 95%. The formula is 95% Ci on mu on mu. It is equal. We must using the formula number 1. Number 1 is S bar minus mu divided by sigma. This one, and Ci is equal S bar plus minus Z alpha divided by 2 sigma and square root n. Okay, from here, if you see the question, This one is given. It is equal. If you see the computed is given, it is a 5.25 until 7.35. Okay, from here you must. Okay, what is the value of alpha? Okay, from here alpha is 0.05 and alpha divided by 2 is 0.025. Okay, z 0.025 it is equal 1.96. Okay, how to find S bar and sigma? How to find S bar and sigma? If you see this one, we can get two equations. This one S bar is not given, plus minus 1.96. Sigma is not given, divide n. N is for this one is 100. Okay, for this one n is 100. Okay, we have two equations. We have two equations. 5.25 until 7.35. Okay, from here we can find the value S bar and the sigma. Okay, try find what is the value S bar and sigma. Okay, we have two equations. This one S bar plus minus 1.6 sigma divided by 10, it is equal 5.25, and the second equation is what S bar plus 1.96 sigma divided by 10, it is equal 7.35. Okay, from here we can get S bar. Okay, try find out what is the value S bar. What is the value S bar? And what is the value sigma? Okay, try calculate what is the value S bar, what is the value sigma. Okay, S bar is 9.3. Okay, 6.3. S bar it is equal 5.25 plus 7.35 divided by 2. Okay, it is okay 6.3. We get S bar is 6.3. And sigma, what is value sigma? Okay, 5 point. Okay, we get the 5.35. Okay, this one okay. You can find S bar and sigma. Just solve two equation. Okay, the number B. Okay, looks the number B. Okay, how large the sample need if we will reach 95% CI, that our sample mean will be within 10% inches of the true mean. Okay, for this one, if the sample and we don't know the value. Okay, for this one, for example, this one and we don't know the value n. The value n is not we don't know. We want to find this one. Our sample mean will be within 1 inches of the true mean. It is this one. If you see this one sample this one. S bar minus mu, this one, S bar minus bar is equal 0.1 inches. Okay, the sentences, this one, sample mean will be within 1 inches of the true mean. This one, it is mean this one, S minus mu is equal 1 inches. The unit is inches. Okay, we want to find what is the value n. Okay, from here we must using this one. Okay, this one is using the formula number 1. Number 1 is Z is equal S bar minus mu divided by sigma divided square root n. Okay, this one. Okay, if you see the formula, we want to find this one. Okay, this one is S minus bar. Okay, S bar minus bar it is equal error. This one is error. Error. Okay, this one, we call this one is error, S bar or this one. Okay, from here, what is the value n? Okay, from here, what is the value n? Okay, if you look here, this one, S minus bar, S minus bar, mu, we put modulus, B is equal Z. Okay, we put alpha divided by U2, sigma divided by square root n. Okay, this formula, how to find the value n. Okay, from here we can get, n, square root n is equal Z alpha divided by 2 sigma divided by error, this one, error. S bar minus mu. It is equal, from here we can get n is equal Z alpha by 2 sigma, this one, S minus mu, power 2. It is equal Z alpha divided by 2 sigma divided by error, power 2. Okay, this is the formula, how to find the value n. Okay, from here, okay, sigma is given, sigma from population tadi, from population 5.57. Okay, 5.357. Okay, this alpha, we want to find 95%. 95%, 1 minus alpha is 0.9, alpha is 0.1. Alpha divided by 2, it is equal 0.05. Okay, if you see from the table, okay, Z 0.05, it is equal 1.6449. Okay, from here we can calculate the value n. Okay, from here we can calculate the value n. Okay, n is equal, Z is 1.6449. Time sigma is 5.357. Okay, divide by error. Error is 1 inches. Power 2. Okay, try calculate that. What is the value n? Try calculate what is the value n. Okay, we get 77.65. 77.5. Okay, it is equal, almost 78, 78. And is 78. Okay, this one is okay. How to find the value of n? Okay, try this one, this question. We have the other question, the number this one. Okay, try this one, number 4. Try number 4. Okay, try number 4. Okay, for this question, a plastic manufacturer has developed a new new type of plastic truss can and proposed to sell them with an unconditional 6-year warranties. To see whether this economical feasible, 3% of prototype can subjected to an accelerated lab test to simulate 9 years of use. Okay, if 95% of confidence interval for the proportion, okay, for this one, 95%, if you see this one, 95% confidence interval for proportion. This one is for proportion. Okay, for this one. Okay, the formula for proportion, this one, 95% CI on proportion, this one, it is equal, okay, P head plus minus Z alpha divided by 2 P U hat divided by N. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, try find what is the value, okay, for this one, what is the value of P, what is the sample proportion, this one, what is the value of P hat, this one, okay, what is the value of P hat, what is the value of P hat, try find this one, what is the value, P hat. Okay, it is equal, okay, for this one, it is equal 0.95232 and 0.9. Okay, Lilita dapat dah jawapannya. Okay, 95%, Z 95%, this one alpha is 0.05, alpha divided by 2 is 0.025. Okay, Z 0.025, it is equal 1.96. Okay, Lalita already get dapat the jawapan this one. Okay, from here we can get P, it is equal, this one, P hat plus minus 1.96. P hat Q hat divided by N, it is equal 0.92532, and the second is 5 plus okay, from here we can get P, it is equal 0.96. Okay, the number B. Okay, let's say the number B, from here, the number B. Okay, how large? Okay, this one, the question is almost the question previous, this one. Okay, how large the sample? How large the sample need if you wish CI our sample this one proportion. Okay, this one same, this one okay, this one the synthesis, this one it is equal, P hat minus P, it is equal, this is error, it is equal 0.005. Okay, the formula, this one, Z it is equal P hat minus P divided by P hat Q N. Okay, and from here we can get N is equal okay, from here we can get P hat Q hat divided by N, it is equal P minus P divided by Z, Z. Okay, from here we can get P divided by N, it is equal P minus P divided by Z power 2. Okay, from here we can get N, it is equal, okay, from here we can get N, it is equal P hat Q hat divided by okay, Z, you put this one, just modify this one. Okay, P hat, this one, we put modulus. Okay, P, okay, you put this one. P is equal 0.96. Q it is equal 1 minus P 0.04. Okay, Z alpha it is equal. Okay, alpha for this one 95%. 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is 0.9. Alpha is 0.1. And alpha divided by 2 is 0.05. Okay, Z 0.05 it is equal 1.66449. Okay, from here we can get the value n. Okay, try calculate what is the value n. Okay, P minus P it is equal 0.5. Okay, this one P minus P it is 0.005. Okay, Pi minus P, this one is 0.005. 0.005. Okay, what is the value n? Okay, what is the value n? Okay, besar nilai dia besar. Your friend get the value is 4, 1, 5, 6, this one. The value n is 4,156, this one. Okay. Okay, any question for this one? Ada tak soalan nak tanya? Any question? Okay, Azim boleh faham tak Azim? Azim boleh faham tak? Okey, boleh Azim. Okey, Nabila boleh faham tak? Nabila Nazwa. Nabila tak ada ke tak ada Nabila ni? Tak ada.
Doktor?
Okey, Azim.
Macam mana tahu yang nilai dia bagi tu ialah P hat minus P? Apa keyword dia?
Apa PH mana P? Yang mana this one?
Yang soalan dia kata apa?
Ni. Halas this one. Sample ni. This one.
Dia kata sample proportion will be within 0.005 yang macam mana tahu yang nilai ni ialah P hat minus P? Okay,
tengok kalau dia sample proportion will within 0.05 of the true proportion. Jadi dalam kes ni dinyatakan sample proportion ni bezaan dia 0.05 je. Bezaan ni 0.05 from the true proportion. This one. If you see the sentence. Same with this one, if you see this one, the proportion within 0.5, this one is, we call this one is error. Okay. This one is, we call this error, sample proportion just within 0.05 from true proportion. Okay, same with this one, kalau tengok this one, sama tadi. Okay, sample mean will be within 1 centimeter of the true means. Kalau awak jumpa ayat macam ni, awak gunakan itulah x bar minus mu. Ataupun mu minus x bar pun okey. This one is okay. Never mind. Okay, for this one, this one is mean. If you see looks, this one is mean. This one mean. This one you must using the mean. This one mean sample. Okay, this one is sample and this one is true mean. True mean is mu. True mean is the value of mu. Same with this one, sama tadi kita tengok di sini adalah proportion. Okay, this one is sample proportion. Sample proportion is P bar, P hat, and the true proportion is P. This one is P. Kalau awak jumpa ayat dia, boleh gunakan itulah error. This one is P1 minus P. Ataupun boleh tukar P minus P. This one same, this one because we put modulus. The value 6. Okey, kenapa lah kalau ingat jumpa ayat ni apa kena buat macam ni je. Okey, ada soalan lagi tak? Okey, kalau tak ada kena buat tugasan kedua Okey, tugasan kedua. Lepas tu boleh tu Okey, assignment tu. Sama dengan semalam ada sama. Okey, this is the link for submission. It's, the question same, right? Change the number in circle with the number in attendance, same, right? Okay, submit for this one is before submit before test 2. Test 2 is pukul 8 ni. Ujian kita pada pukul 8 hingga pukul 9, jadi hantar sebelum pukul 8. At 3 dan 6 3 Jun. Hantar sebelum 3 bulan 6. Okey, buat soalan sama ni, sama dia. Jawapan pun dah ada. Okey, jawapan dah is given. Jawapan dah given. Cuma awak modify your number. Okey, ada soalan nak tanya tak? Kalau tak ada, kita boleh jumpa lagi pada masa ujian. Masa ujian kita akan jumpa 3 Jun. Okey, ada soalan nak tanya? Hari Ahad tak ada kelas Hari Ahad, Sunday no kelas Sunday no kelas. Sunday kita cuti. Okey, ada soalan tanya?
Betul.
Okey, Pak Fakrul.
Yang semalam punya tu submit sebelum bila?
Dah lepas, patut sampai semalam saja.
Oh ya ke?
Tak apa, kalau dah siap tu boleh hantar dan was itu. Boleh hantar lagi. Saya tak tutup lagi.
Okey, terima kasih tu.
Okey. Ada soalan nak tanya tak ni? Kalau tak ada, saya kasih soalan ni, patut boleh buat tugasan Jangan lupa submit before test tu sebelum pukul 8 PM. Okey, kalau tak ada kita boleh bersurai Jumpa